Hello mga kagorabels, may buntag sa tanan. So prepare na tayo diha kay maatutag Cebu Safari Park. O diba, gorabels lang. So sayo sa buntag jud mi gikan guys at tumigkuan sa Safari Zoo. So sa Carmen Cebu na siya located. So sayo gyud mi dira ning gikan kauban akong boss og ang driver. So gorabels ra ta diring dapita mga kagora. Mao ni atong kuan guys, lugar diri sa Carmen. So dool na mi mosulod na mi diri rapita guys, o kay na mi diri Cebu Safari Adventure Park. So Gorabels lang ta diri guys. So lunon ni kaayo diri guys, ug pasaka-saka gyud na siya diri ang dapita mga ka-Gorabels. Daya diha layo pag yun na guys pa sudlunon kayo na siya dira musaka pagkagbukid ngadto sa kanabukiran yun na siya manang kuan lang jud kanang moari ka diri kanang kinahanglan jud prepare ka kaayo kay kinahanglan na kay daghang kwarta charge bitaw basta kuan enjoy lang ta diring dapita guys kay layo 2 hours man siya gikan sa kuan sa syudad padulong sa Carmen Cebu. So kana guys kanang padulong pa jud mi ana dirang dapita guys layo jud na siya kay kanang musaka pagbukid mga ka-Gorabels dako jud na first time nako diri ang dapita. So karon daing kuan ganap na mo ay family day sa Roflo Dental Clinic group of companies o diba. Thank you so much Roflo Dental Clinic nakangari jud kun dapita So diring dapita guys hapit na ta maabot sa ilang parking. Mga ka-Gorabels di ana ta sa parking lot diri nagpark na dayo kami diri mo na ilang parking lot. Luag kayo guys. So tingnan nyo gamay pa lang nangabot guys. Nagulat pa mi sa akong mga kauban kay pito ka van na sila ako mga kauban mga ka-Gorabels. Kain na pud guys.
Posing pa.
Sigo ulit.
Ay! Wala ginawa ko, mahalo dito. Kuya, mabdos naman ko dire. Makuhaan ka ni kuya. Wanay ayod eh.
Hoy! Anong gawin ng gaya, hoy?
Naman tas tumoy uy magbaud-baud pan.
Ala na pag mamoy man ang buton.
Agaray.
Dami gusto yan no. Panuhoton sila.
Agaray.
BBM!
Wala. Ay! Lumahagod si ito oy. Mabuang ko. Kuya pag-inay po daya. Kuya muli para ba kong late eh.
Mubalik na ko siya?
Mga ka-Gorabels, di ano may diri briefing ko rin diri ang dapita. Kadako man ko ang Number 1 ka. Number 1 ka kinugapan sa Roflo. Ginoo ka paghinay ka ginoo. Mati-ob-ob ta diniwas oras. Mag-briefing ta diring dapita.
Bisyan na may vlog kasi.
Kadakong kuan. Oh nani eh.
Ano ni Cebu Safari Breeding and Research.
Manakay na ko na taas sa padapit. Charet lang.
Antik juga kira ngisi ba.
Lakaw na pud ni. Tara kurang utang. Amagi ano to to niya no?
Those are blessback. A reddish brown in color with white marking on its face. That white markings that serves as their built-in sunscreen. They can survive under the heat of the sun because of that built-in sun blocking joints just like horses and giraffes. The light brown is female, the black one is male. Two baby zebras 10 meters in length. Two baby zebras, a GJ and Neo, 4 years old and 5 years old. Again, ng sanan, walo nga sa daghan nga zebra. Another Filipino citizen.
Sila mga tiil. Kadako sa crocodile. Kadako. Kulay orange man si pangalan na si Pin.
Butlong ati win.
Itik nga taas ang sungo. Ang si pangalan ni mananapa. Tikling. Tikling nga taas ang
Tikling
sungo.
orange.
Orange. Tikling nga orange. Wala kadaghan nila tapos ibabaw oh.
Madam Eunice.
Nagto nag-enjoy sa nagkuan.
Daddy, there's a flamingo. Wait, that is a flamingo. Bata lang.
Pwede ka perform like niya. Kalau kaki ang baliw. Kadako niya. Camel.
Tupo dito. Hey, there's a camel here.
Napa dito mga kamil. Sa ibabaon sa puto dito. My God, kadako ba?
Ate Grace. Ate Grace.
Kadako lagi abi na ko dili tinuod. Tinuod mo na siya. Tinuod. Kadako. Scared. Scared kaayo. Busog ra ba o?
Sige nang kaon nila na Ate Win.
Ang buta. Napa dito ta?
Ate tao.
Ay naa diha ang labi naghana. Uy, kinuo kadaghan nila.
Awang kuan di wala say Cavite no. Walay tastahanan ba?
Lang
Katuay gigutom to siya.
nagnganga na jud sa daan. Kinsa kayo ako na mahagbo.
Hi, we have a crocodile feeding if you want to experience crocodile feeding, ma'am, sir.
Guys, maning pagkaon. Lunch na, lunch. Ambot asa sila? May lang bag. Lunch na tayo.
Dili lang daw.
South America, like Brazil and Venezuela. Take your time, buddy. So suners, they are monogamous type of birds, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. Oh, sana all. But when their partner dies, that will be the only time that they will find another mating partner. And they are also monomorphic, meaning both male and female shares the same physical features.
Ito ang sultan.
Dito sila kamputol sa dam sa kanang.
Teka na. Hello, ka-cute. Oh, yellow bird. Yellow bird. Orange and yellow. Oh. Hello, ako pa-cute to, nagpa-cute. Ah, nagpa-cute. Nagpa-cute siya oh. Dito oh. Lo kadaghan ba nila uy? Hi. Daghan ka ayos oh. Hello. Kadaghang
Jumbo. So Jumbo buddy, good afternoon. So can you wave to the crowd like this? Hi. Alright, so everyone, can you wave back and say hello, Jumbo? So macaws have a very long tail with feathers and grow up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail. And with the tail itself, the roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo will go to show you his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? Turn around. Good. That's one. Alright, so as you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies and they have less colors under the wings. Now I'm going to show you his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Alright, so everyone say it again. Say wings.
Wings!
And lastly, macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have 2 toes pointing forward and another 2 toes that points backward. And they can also use their feet to hold on things and climb. So Mr. James here has a groundnut and he will going to place it into the plastic basket. Now let's see what Jumbo will do. So Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and got his nut. Good work, Jumbo. Now as what I've said earlier, that Jumbo is a very special.
Hello! Hello, kaka-cute. Ang cute na pa dito. Nga pa dira, oh. Dapat babaw. Isa may nga anin black. Ano? Black.
Black capillary.
Black captive lorry. Hello, ka-cute nila. Grabe, yung daghanan nila diri out. Tapos sila lovers dito. Oh, sana all.
Uy, ka-cute.
Sana all kasi sila dalawa.
Sana all.
Sana all, Jod.
Sana all. Ana day na.
Ay, ana day na. Aw.
Those are yung color gray. Those are waterbuck. A large antelope that is gray to reddish brown in color with white circular ring on its rump. And they have that stinky smell. And the older they get, the stinkier they become. And the more nga manimaho ang mga lalaki, the more na ma-attract ang mga babae. Only males have horn while females don't have. So kung kinsay mas baho sila, may gwapo silang pananaw. And the other one with a long and twisted horn, that is greater kodo. They have the longest horn among all the antelopes, for it can reach up to 72 inches, and it will naturally twist once every 2 years. And they have that ability to become motionless when they feel threatened or in danger. Once again, waterbuck and greater kodo. And that baby waterbuck po na nasa likod sa greater kodo that is 2 months old. Filipino citizen.
Okay, so by the way, for those who are on the left side, you can stand up in this side lang so you can see the lines already.
Troy, look at Troy. They're sleeping.
Pwede po mo transfer to yung mga
Oh yeah, they're sleeping.
Sleeping ang mga white
So
lion.
by the way, this is our 3 lions, so namely Jack, Max, and Bugoy. So they're all siblings and 8 years old, but turning 9 years old this year. So you might be also wondering why they're called white lions, but they're not totally white. So that's because they're not albino, and they have the genetic condition, it's called UCSM. So in short terms, they also adapt the climate here in the Philippines. But naturally, when they are cubs, they are purely white. And as you can see, also they're not active or they're sleeping lang, because lions also are nocturnal. So meaning they're more active at night and sleepy during the daytime. So they can sleep 16 to 20 hours a day. So that's why we also have night safari tour.
Picture mo ni Kuya. Go na, Kuya. What's that?
Manguli nami for exit.
Paniod to. Oh, because they don't care. Isa, okay na mo. Okay na mo ang day ko dito.
Gora bells na, manguli nami. Padung nami sa among service. Manguli na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wow, nice guy. Wow.